Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up Settings, scroll all the way down to Additional Settings, then again scroll down and you'll find Factory Reset. Select Erase All Data. Now if you have anything that you'd like to keep on your phone, you can back it up from here. So there is a list of things that will be removed, but probably the most important ones would be things like photos, music, documents that you keep locally on the device. So if you want to keep those, back it up. If you have already backed up or you don't want to, then you can proceed with Factory Reset. Now you do get 20 seconds of your life wasted right here, 10 seconds right here, letting you know that this will remove everything. I sure damn hope so. And then once you've confirmed that, you get to get another 10 seconds wasted when it makes sure that you're absolutely reassured that it removes everything. So press OK, and this will now begin the process, which will probably take about like 3 minutes to finish up. Once it's finished, we should be then greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.